Hello and welcome to Online Q's, your YouTube channel for your online queries. Now in this video I'll show you how you can delete embarrassing posts from your newsfeed. So make sure that you're logged into your Facebook account like you see over here. For details on how to log into your Facebook account, you can watch any of our previous videos on how to log into Facebook account. So once you're logged in, click onto your profile name over here, and this is what will appear. So to be able to do this quite easily, let's go and click on grid view. And when you are in the grid view, things like this will happen, so you can easily see who has tagged you into their post and all that, if it's a tag post that you want to get rid of, you can click on here and view the post. Now I don't really have any tag posts, so I'm just gonna delete or hide any of the posts that I've made that is quite embarrassing to me. So I'm gonna click on manage posts over here, and then I go on ahead and kind of click on any of the posts that I see. So let's click on this. So you can hide or delete the post selected, which we do not do here, and it's saying over here you can select up to 1 or to 50 posts. I'm not gonna do that because I don't really have that many posts, so I'm gonna click on next. So what I do is either click on hide or delete. I'm just gonna click on hide, and I'm gonna click on done and hide post, and then this post won't appear on my newsfeed. So this is how you can easily, hide or delete embarrassing posts from your Facebook account. So easily you can do it. So with posts that you're tagged in, just by clicking on this over here, and then managing, click on manage post, and then you can go ahead and hide or delete it. So this is how you hide or delete embarrassing posts on your Facebook profile feed. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on our channel.